My people, welcome to another episode of Street MBA with Kapick. Today, we go enter the street of computer village, where negotiation na survival skill. If you sabi how those boys dey run am, you no go ever fall Mugu for business again. Let's break am down so your small and medium business fit dey win back to back. For business, negotiation no be fight, na like chess game. Computer village boys sabi am. 1 minute price high, next minute e low. But na strategy o. If you no fit negotiate, you go dey buy high, sell low, and lose customers wey suppose turn loyal. See before you even start to price, you gats sabi your market o. Computer village boys no dey price blindly. Dem go don check competitor price, know wetin dey sell pass, even understand wetin customer dey find before dem open their mouth. As a business owner, research go help you sabi the right price range so you no go talk off point. Sometimes, negotiation no be only wetin you talk, na how you carry yourself. Computer village boys dey confident but not too loud. Dem go look you for eye, smile small and talk calm. E go make customer feel comfortable. Dat one na body language, dey shout louder. One big secret, dem no dey start with their last price. Dem go start high because dem sabi say you go price am down. As dem dey drop small small, you go feel say you dey win. Meanwhile, na the same price dey plan to sell from the start. Smart negotiation no dey rush to the bottom o. Sometimes, na how you package your offer go make customers pay quick. Computer village boys fit say, buy dis phone, I go add charger join for small money. Na psychology. Bundle offer dey make people feel say dem dey gain pass money wey dem spend. Another big lesson, talk less, lis ten more. Many customers go tell you their budget if you just allow dem talk. Sometimes, silence na weapon. If you no rush talk, the customer fit confuse himself say your price dey okay. No dey too greedy o. Computer village boys dey sell in a way both parties dey smile at the end. Long-term customer dey more important than one-time gain. If the customers feel cheated, e no go return. But if e happy, e go come back and even bring friends. Some people dey do am wrong. Dem go overprice until customer vex waka. Others go talk too much and expose their weak point. Some no even sabi read body language. Dem dey sell to person wey don already tire. No be so negotiation dey work o. I don learn one man thing for computer village. Gist dey help package sweet deal. Dem go ask you where you come from, hail you small, crack 1 or 2 jokes. Before you know, the negotiation go dey smooth because dem don connect with you emotionally. Na strategy, no be mistake. So here is your assignment for today. Pick 1 or 2 negotiation tactics today. Use am with your customers. Watch how e go change your profit and customer loyalty. Remember, negotiation na skill. The more you practice, the better you go dey. That's all for today. Episode of Street MBA with Kapick. No dull, subscribe, share this video, and go practice negotiation like computer village boss. Till next time, make your business sense dey sharp. Apply the lesson learned for today. Washere.